I'm Shamla, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, KCS Kasinada College of Arts and Science, Chennai. In this video, we are going to discuss few topics in software engineering. Languages and processes for requirement specification. A number of special purpose language and processor have been developed. It permits concise statement and automated analysis of requirement specification for software. Some specification languages are graphical in nature, some are textual imager. Types of languages and processes. First one, PSL, Problem Statement Language, or PSA, Problem Statement Analyzer. Second one, RSL, Requirement Statement Language, or REVS, Requirement Engineering Validation System. Third one, SADT, Structured Analysis and Design Techniques. Fourth one, SSA, Structured System Analysis. Fifth one, GIST. First one is PSL or PSA. It was developed by Professor Daniel Tycrow at the University of Michigan. The Problem Statement Analyzer is a PSL processor. This model describes a system as a set of objects, and each object have properties and each property have their own values. Objects may be interconnected. These connections are called relationship. The objective of PSL is to permit expressions of much of the information that commonly appears in SRS. In PSL, system descriptions can be divided into 8 major categories. First one, system input-output flow. It deals with the interaction between the system and its environment. Second one, system structure. It is concerned with the hierarchy among objects in a system. Third one, data structure. It includes all the relationships that exist among the data used. Fourth one, data derivation. It specifies which data objects are involved in particular process in the system. Fifth one, system size and volume. It is concerned with the size of the system and those factors that influence the volume of processing required. Sixth one, system dynamics. It presents the manner in which the system behaves over time. Seventh one, system properties. It specifies the properties of the system object. Eighth one, project management. It specifies the project related information as well as product related information. The structure of PSA is illustrated in the figure. PSA operates on a database of information collected from a PSL description. The PSL system can provide reports. The Problem Statement Analyzer. The Problem Statement Analyzer is an automated analyzer for processing requirement statement in PSL. PSA operates on a database of information collected from a PSL description. PSA system provides reports in 5 categories: database modification report, reference report, summary report, structure report, and analysis report. First one, database modification report. It lists changes made in the last report with warning messages. These reports provide a record of changes for error correction and recovery. Second one, reference reports. It includes name list reports. It lists all the objects in the database with the types and data last change. Formatted problem statement reports. It shows properties and relationships for a particular object. Dictionary report. It provides a data dictionary. Summary report. It presents information collected from several relationships. Database summary report. It provides project management information by listing the total number of objects of various types. Structure report. It shows complete and partial hierarchy. External picture report. It describes data flow in graphical form. Analysis report includes a few reports. They are content comparison report. It compares the similarity of input and output. Data processing interaction report. It used to detect gaps in information flow and unused data objects. Processing chain report. It shows the dynamic behavior of the system. PSL and PSA is a useful tool for documenting software requirements. It changes the ways in which a software is developed in the organization. Sometimes the changes may be better and sometimes for the worst. Tools don't solve problems. It used to improve software quality and programmer productivity. The second topic of language and processor is RSL or REV. It was developed by the TRW Defense and Space System Groups. It is used to permit concise and unambiguous specification of requirement for real-time software systems. RSL and REVs are components of software requirements engineering methodology. RSL has four primitive concepts. First one, elements, which name objects. Second one, attributes. It describes the characteristics of elements. Third one, relationships. It describes the relation between elements. Fourth one, structure, composed of nodes and processing steps. Example, RSL element data. Initial value is an attribute of the element data. Input specifies the relationship between a data item and a processing step. Specifying requirements in this approach makes explicit the sequence of the processing steps required. The processing step may be done by several different software components, and a software component may incorporate several processing steps. Follows are specified in the RSL as requirement network. RNets have both graphical and textual representation. The requirement engineering validation system operates on RSL statements. It consists of three major components: a translator for RSL, a centralized database, the abstract system semantic model. A set of automated tools for processing information in ASSM, that is Air Defense System. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.